Hey friends, it's Sam, your real estate man. Got a quick story. I was holding an open house last week and this couple came in and they said they recently sold their place and were now ready to buy their forever home. Great! Well, they mentioned they didn't want to use their previous agent. I asked what happened. Well, it turns out they weren't satisfied with the amount they received from the previous sale. After hearing their story, it sounded like 2 of the 4 factors that help sell a home were actually missing. First, they felt their condo was in pristine shape, so they priced it higher than anything that currently sold on the market. And remember, if you want to compete, you got to be competitive. Now, the other was accessibility. You see, they didn't have any open houses, there was no lockbox for agents to show the property, and they weren't scheduling any showings until after 6:30 p.m. Now, I think it's safe to say that not a lot of people actually saw this property. So what's the takeaway here? Price it right and make it easy to see, so that you are guaranteed the best price for the sale of your home. Look, friends, I don't have your business yet, but I'm working hard to earn it. If you have any questions about choosing the right strategy to get your home sold in this shifting market, contact me right now. I'll help make it happen. Remember, I'm Sam, your real estate man. Make it a great day.